KitScy. So today I'm going to do an update on my mealworm farm that I started, and then my sea monkeys over here. So I was kind of excited about the mealworms because at first I was like, I don't see anything happening. Did I buy like bad mealworms to begin with, and are they eating their young? And right when I was getting ready to clean out the thing and start all over again, I saw little bitty baby mealworms. So I'm gonna show those to you. And then my sea monkeys, I wasn't actually expecting them to live so long, but as long as you give them the little green powder food. There. Yeah. So as long as you give them the food, just like a little tap, once a week or so, then the sea monkeys are. So I'm going to show you the sea monkeys because they're already just sitting here on the table. Zoe. That's my dog. So you can see them swimming around, and they've gotten a lot bigger. You can see two of them attached, so they're kind of mating too. But this is from my Discovery Ancient Sea Creatures kit. So you can really see them in there. And you get a reflection from my light. And it's a little bit better. So that's pretty cool. So check out our mealworms. So here are the beetles. That's an old piece of carrot that they kind of bored a little hole in there. So I just left it in there. Some fresh carrots, red cabbage, because we just had a hurricane, so I don't have any green cabbage right now. You can see there's one of them kind of stuck in there. I don't know why they're going in there. But they go in there and they get stuck, die. So you can kind of see like an actual real worm, it's a larvae. So I may end up redoing this frame just so I can make it so that the mealworms don't get stuck underneath the beetles don't get stuck underneath the tape. So they actually have been laying eggs, and eggs have been dropping through. They're just so tiny that I couldn't see them. And if you look in here right now, you don't really see anything. But when I gave it a shake earlier, I'm gonna take this out. Yes, earlier today I was getting ready to clean it out, and I was like, oh. And then I started seeing a lot of things moving around. I started seeing oatmeal kind of moving. And this one right there. They're all over. They're really, really tiny. And you can see where they've been shedding their skin, so they're growing. They're just really, really, really tiny. I mean, that's what I expected to be tiny, but I don't know. But now I know to look. And you can kind of see where the oatmeal is just moving by itself. So you see right there, oatmeal like it's shifting a little bit. So there's a worm underneath there. So there are little bitty worms all over the place. Let me pick up some of this cabbage and see if they're hiding underneath here. Oh yes, there's a bunch of them underneath the cabbage. So from now on, I'll make sure I keep a lot of cabbage in here so they stay hydrated. So the bigger ones I took out and moved down here. So there's a nice big one right there. Underneath the carrot, kind of back. So I didn't have a lot of big ones, but the big ones I do get, and I'm gonna move them down here. And these will be the ones that I'll feed to Cass. Okay, so that's it for the mealworm and the ancient sea creatures update. So I was really happy that the sea creatures, you know, survived, and they got a lot bigger, so you can see those for yourself. And they were pretty hardy because I actually forgot to feed them. And I came back, sprinkled the food in there, and it just kept on growing up. And I think they've been laying eggs too. So there's some much smaller ones that are in there now. And then as far as with the mealworms, I'm happy that I have like little baby mealworms in there. So I'm excited about that because I kind of buy these little bitty containers of worms every week for Castiel. So now he'll have like an endless supply of food for himself, and I can just keep replenishing, or replenish itself with more mealworms. So, thanks for watching. Bye.